How to share your WhatsApp channel link. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can share your WhatsApp channel link, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to share your WhatsApp channel's link, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch WhatsApp application. And assuming you've created a channel already, when you come to the updates tab you'll find the channels that you've created. So now tap on the channel and then tap the channel link option that you can find from the very top. As you do that, you should be able to copy the link and then share them with your friends, or you can directly tap the share link option, send them to any people on any social media. When they click on the link, they will be redirected to your channel page where they should be able to join that channel if they wish, just like on Telegram. This way you will be able to create a WhatsApp channel. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.